Hi guys, welcome to Clevershakes. I'm Sarah. I have a very interesting topic for you. Do you know what is the difference between a website and a blog? Okay guys, it's completely the same. Have the same contents, you build in the same way, and you can put the same information. The only difference is a blog is part of a CMS. What is a CMS? The CMS is a website or a platform that you can build your own website without code. The tools are pretty easy to use, you can understand. It's for dummies. There are a lot of templates for you modify with your own content. Basically, the website is the super transformer or a blog. It's independent. A blog always gonna be part of that CMS and a website's gonna be yours. In this video, we gonna learn how to build a website in WIX. WIX is a CMS, pretty fun and it's easy to use. So guys, let's check it out. Which are the important tools to build your website? Step number 1. Go to your favorite browser and type www.wix.com. When you arrive here, you have two options, login and sign up. So you don't have already an account with Wix, please click sign up. If you sign up or if you log in, it's the same process. You type your mail and your password, or you can go with Facebook account or with Google account.
I recommend you guys to create an email before to create your website or blog. And I recommend you Google because Google account have a lot of nice stuff.
I'm gonna log in with Google. Just type your email account and your password and you're gonna ingress directly. Step number 2. And you're gonna click on create new website. Now we're gonna land here. What kind of website do you want to create? So depend of the website we want to create, we're gonna choose our template. For example, I want for my photography business, and here I'm gonna land in all the photography templates. So it's time to choose, take your time, start to drop down. It's better for you. We have a lot of options here. You can see. Have two options here. We can choose edit or we can view if we are not sure. So if we click on view, you're gonna land to the template. And you can see how it works. For example, I like this one. Step number 3. Now we already choose our website template. We're gonna click on edit this side. Before to landing to the website editor, let's create the structure of your blog or website. Let's check it out here. If you want, I can give you this template. The link is below in the description, or you can draw on a piece of paper. Guys, basically the website structure is a conceptual map. Here it's gonna be home, services, or art. I am the contact. You have two sub-pages of services. You're gonna have photography, for example, and you're gonna have our products. So you already sell your photography and products. Who I am. You can put two sub-pages, history, and why you start the project. And if you don't want to put anything more, this is a basic structure of a website. When you define which information you're gonna put on your website, let's do it in Wix editor. Step number 4. For edit our website, we're gonna click in the first one. So we're gonna remain and we're gonna put services and this one, contact. We're gonna go here and we're gonna click add page. Who I am. For photography, products. duplicate a page, hide a page, or delete, everything is here. So we have already our structure. Step number 5. Now it's time to get closer with Wix editor. So we don't gonna change anything here, but I'm gonna show you every single part of the element things that you need to know to edit your website. Here is for change the background. You can see how it looks and everything. You can upload an image if you want, a video, change the color, the same things. If you want freeze or parallax or the position, the opacity, and if you apply to other pages, you can see here. Then we're gonna see this important button. This one is for text, or modify your text, or if you want to add a new text, you have a lot of options here. A lot of templates for you. I recommend you always do with the same font. If you want to modify your text, it's only you click here and you click on edit text and you have all the things here. Themes for the hidden fonts, font size, numbering if you want, effects, if you want shadow or distortion or whatever, you do it here. If you don't like something, you can press Ctrl Z or Command Z, like in whatever program. Here we can do a gallery. We can choose here whatever template we want. Here is all the galleries, and more gallery, your favorite gallery. So you just click and this is gonna be appear on the page you are modifying. And if you need logos or whatever, you can see here. It's just for decoration, looks cool actually. So for example, I want this guy, so I take it and I drop here. Shape just for decoration too. If you want to put this for decoration to separate the title with this gallery, you can do it, and you can change design, and you can see different types of lines you have. Customize, change the color. Interactive, if you want to put a banner, click and you get it. We can modify it, manage the slide, and change the slide background however the design you want. Button for go to another website, another page, click in the button. Brings wherever you want to bring. For example, the button, change text and put home. Where does it links go? Work is home. Step number 6. For modify, you have all the pages here. You have to modify each page independently to the other one. For show you how is the boxes. So the boxes is for you put the information, whatever information you want. Now we're gonna focus on the strips. We have different here for contact, for welcome, for services, for team, testimonial, classic. For example, I want for services. You see? And then it's the same process. Select the things and change columns and change the background. And we have list and grids. If we want to put a list here, this is a template. The thing is, you should change the information and replace. So here we can have videos. You put the platform where is your video and choose here the link. If you want to put like autoplay, planes in a loop, what is about the script, the video, it's up to you. You can drop here. The same if you have music, if you have a podcast, something like that, SoundCloud or Spotify, you can drop here. No, doesn't have to be in the same, doesn't have to be in who I am. Okay. Social media, if you want to put your Instagram, you just have to link it, your social media. You put the link of your social media and that's it. We have contact for payment, for multi-step, for donation, for job application, for feedback, for contest, price code, for subscribe. Here we can modify our menu. We have horizontal menus, vertical menu, and short menus. However you want, it's fine. Lightbox, content manager, and all these things here. We don't gonna touch this topic in this video, but basically this is our website. Step number 7. And the last step is about this part. And in this part we have a desktop and we have to mobile. So if we press here, we can check how looks our website on a mobile. We can see here the menus and the pages, change the background, quick action bar, back to the top. For example, this one, put it here. Welcome screen, Chrome dem color, quick action bar, phone, whatever. It's completely fine. You can change. You can hide some events, some elements. So, for example, you want to hide this button. All the design you have hide. You press right click and you're gonna press hide. All the design you do in your desktop gonna appear in your mobile version. And page load, optimize. So you're gonna optimize, organize. This one is for organize all the information that you have here, and that's it. You press save and you press publish, and you got your website. Guys, this takes time and you have to be clear with your ideas. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, join to our community. Please follow us in Facebook and Instagram. We are growing up every day to have more content, build our community and grow up together. It's the digital time, so guys, we should to take it and go forward wherever we wanna go. So check your mind and be clever.